What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to fold your Kugoo scooter here. So here I have KuKirin M4 Max Plus, but this instruction guidance is suitable for many and majority of Kugoo scooters. So I will show you how to just make it more compact, how to fold it to carry it with you, or just to store it in your house and occupy less space. So actually there are three parts what you can hold. It's a wheel, it's wheel itself, this handlebar, the down part and the seat here. So let's start from the most important, is the down part. So first what you need to do, here is a button to press. So first you unlock, just hold it like this, then you unlock it, then you need to press this one down. To press it you need to use your leg because it's quite hard. All right, so now as you see it's holding pretty easily. So you can put your scooter this way. So you can put your scooter this way, then you make your seat much lower. To make it properly, you can just put the things off first, like this. Then you have much more space. So you can just put this handlebar here. Then separately you have a seat. Then you can put it down like this, then it occupies less space. Also you can make it even smaller to unlock it on this side, make it that way looking. And the last part is wheel. So here is very simple, just to move it like this, opposite direction both, until it's maximum, then one side and press it one way. Okay. All right, that's it. So actually that's how it looks like, fully hold it. Do not occupy much space. You can easily handle it here. You can fix on this way, and it will not just unstick it, so you can just carry it with you together using this handle, put it in your tent, go to subway, or just store it in your house.